How to download and install DaVinci Resolve on Windows. First of all, open your browser and in the search bar, type DaVinci Resolve download and press enter. From the results, click on the link that leads to the official Blackmagic design website. It's usually the first one that appears. Once you are on the site, scroll down slightly and you will find the free download now button for DaVinci Resolve. Click on it and a pop-up will appear asking you to choose your operating system. Select Windows. Now, you will be asked to fill in your details such as name, email address, and country. Complete the form and click on Register and Download. The download should begin automatically. Keep in mind that the installer is large, so the download might take some time depending on your internet speed. After the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and locate the zip file. Right-click on it and select Extract. Open the extracted folder, then double-click on the DaVinci Resolve installer file to start the installation. The installation wizard will open. Click Install and follow the steps on the screen. Use the default settings unless you need a custom setup. The installation process might take a few minutes to complete. Once it's done, you'll find the DaVinci Resolve shortcut on your desktop. Double-click to open it. On the first launch, it may take a little longer as it initializes for the first time. And that's it. Now you know how to download and install DaVinci Resolve on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.